divided by minus 10. That is equal to how much it will come? So same denominator will come now. So this also, it is 1 minus 1 by 6. Oh, both are not equal. Therefore, no unique solution. Had it been, if it was plus means, then you have to take. Then it is 1 by 2. No, no solution. Okay, now A1 by A2. You know unique solution, no solution at all? Do you know the condition for unique solution? Yes or no? What is the condition for unique solution? A1. No. Ah, you're feeling cold. You're feeling cold. She's feeling cold, and who wanted this fan? You. Switch it off. Okay. A1 is over. Arre, tell from. So learn and come now. Without learning, you people come. Myra, done the homework. What is the unique solution condition? Now one not equal to B1 upon B2. Infinite solution is this girl is not studying. What is it? So if you are absent, when you are absent, last to last. So last class you came, you should write the note and you have to learn now. And last class we did all the monkey. Okay, last class we discussed all these things now. So I had to tell you this all. That is why I know that today also you did not study and come the way you are sitting. I had noticed. Coming over here and sitting, it will not work. You have to study now. What is the infinite solution condition? Loudly speak here. You little more loudly speak. Voice will not come from you. Tell, read, tell. Is equal to C1 upon C2. Okay. Or speak loudly. This boy never speak only. Yeah, I'll beat you. Then you'll start with reply. What is the doubt? Previous year. Chapter 1, previous year question. Chapter 1, previous year question. Read the question. Read. Two positive numbers of the HCF is equal to 12. Okay. 6336. Have you heard? Yes. Mr. Raju, tell me what happened? You're getting angry? Then tell how to do. Two positive numbers whose HCF is equal to 12 and their product is equal to 6336. So how many possibilities are there? How many numbers? Which are the numbers? Means then you will come to know which are the possibilities. You are asking me? Arun, sir. She only had the doubt. You don't have the doubt. Tell now. Answer. Answer. Better also tell. Find LCM. We have to do that LCM into LCM. LCM into HCF is equal to product. Then. Is equal to LCM. Then. Into 12. They have the HCF is 12. You don't have the numbers. Only HCF. You don't have LCM. So you can take the numbers as, let's say, A. A is equal to, or first number is 12 times some number. Is it or not? 12x. And second number B is equal to 12y. Yes or no? Because HCF A and B are multiples of this one. Therefore, the condition it is coming as, what is the property it is coming as? A into B, that is 12x into 12y is equal to 6336 into 12. This also is clear. Okay. We took as A is equal to the numbers as HCF is equal to 12 now. So that means first number is a multiple of 12. Second number also multiple of 12. Provided X and Y are co-prime. Why X and Y are co-prime? If not co-prime, that also will be the HCF, no? Okay. Therefore, XY is equal to 6336 into 12 divided by 12 into 12. 12, 12 cut. This is cancelled. 12, 5s are 60, na? Then 33, 12 2s are how much? 24 plus 9, 96. How much? 8, sir. So therefore, xy is equal to 528. This 528 we can factorize now. What are the factors will come? 2s are 2, 6. 2s are 1, 3, 2. 2s are 3s are, sorry, 2s are 33. 3s are 11. Yes or no? Read the question once again.
Two positive numbers have their HCF plus 12 and the product that they the number of pairs possible for the number is.
I made a mistake over here, na? What is the mistake, you know? This is product, no? Product means there is no 12 over here, no?
12.
Ah, you did not tell.
Yeah,
Yes or
I
no?
thought I was wrong.
Understood or not? This is product, no? Therefore, product means AB is equal to 6336. So one more you can cancel. So this Y28 is cancelled means what is left out? So 1, 2 will go, 1, 2 will go, 1, 3 will go, isn't it? So left out is how much you'll get? Whatever it is. So remaining, or I will write cancel. 12 is cancel means how much you'll get us? 12, 4s are 48. 12 4s are 48 and 44 will come. So this 44 we take and factorize. 2s are. Okay. Therefore, xy is 44, which can be written as 2 into 2 into 11. Now, which are the possibilities of x and y? He is not listening. He knows this one. So, possibilities of x and y. 1 and 44. X can be 1, y can be 44. How about 2 and 22? No, because if 2 and 22 contains a common factor, no, it should be x and what is x and y? X comma y is co-prime. 2 and 22 possible? No. No 3. Then next is what is it?
4 and 11. 4 and
4 and 11. 4 and 11 is possible? Yes. What else? Any other factor is possible? 1 into
only 2.
2 into 22, 4 into 11. Therefore, one possibility of y is 1, 144. Second possibility of this one is equal to 4 and 11. Therefore, how many possibilities? There are two numbers. One is x into 1, no. So, therefore, A can be written as what? X into 12 into x. That is equal to 12. B is equal to how much you will get as? 12 into 44. Means one of the number is 12 into 1 and the other one. Same 12 into not 14, 44. Second one is what? 12 into 4 and B is 12 into 11. So there are two possibilities of numbers. Which are the numbers means for 12 and 12 into 44. That multiply. Understood or not? Any other doubt? Any others doubt? Think and do. This is a previous year question. Similar questions will come. Say I took us HCF. Do you know why it is A and B are co-prime? Why A and B are co-prime? There should be one should be. If it is more than one means that will come as HCF, no? Okay, you have taken A and B are numbers whose HCF is 12. Therefore, A is equal to 12x and B is equal to 12y, where x and y are co-prime. Followed? Okay, only one girl asked, others did not. You also did not. Why you knew? Broadmai, no? What is your name? Shubhangi. Name? Archisha. Brunmai, you have one. Okay. So done. Power. You did not have any doubt. Power man. Okay, listen now. We have started drawing the graph only now. Yesterday we had done some, last class we had done some graph now, solve graphically. What is the meaning of solve graphically? Two equations will be given. Both the graph will be drawn on the same graph paper. Okay. Both the graph is done on the same graph paper. And if they are, you are all writing, right? If they are intersecting, How many solutions? Unique solution. One solution means the unique solution. The value of x and y is the solution. If they are parallel, there is no solution. Okay. And if they are coincident means infinite solution. Only unique solution, the answer you have to write x is equal to this much, y equal to. No solution is no solution. Infinite solution, do we need to write the value of x and y? No. Okay. Avanti,
Yes, sir.
are you following?
Yes.
Oh, very good. Okay. Done? Okay. Now, listen. Today we are going to discuss. I don't. Did we discuss about x-axis, y-axis? No. Okay. Now look. First is x-axis, y-axis. You know, no. What is x-axis? Horizontal line. Any special horizontal line? Okay. What is the speciality of x-axis? Huh? Horizontal number line. Beyond that, nothing else. Horizontal line said horizontal number line. Okay. Anything else? Anything else? X-axis. Oh, that every number line. So I asked you that. So you tell her why you are listening to her. Okay. Huh? Zero. That is okay. Polynomial. Anything else? On x-axis. On. Gee, shameless people only. So tell na. On x-axis, value of y is equal to 0. And what is the speciality of y-axis? So, on y-axis, x equal to 0. So, equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. Are you followed? Second, write down in your notebook. Equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. Are you followed? What is the reason? Because on x-axis, value of y is 0. That is why equation of x-axis and equation of the y-axis. Written. Equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. Equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. Written in your notebook. This man is multitask or what? Homework was not done this one. Mr. Raju, Powerman, did you do the homework? If you are eating, your hand will break. Yeah. So then, next, listen here. The second one it is coming as if any line parallel to x-axis. Any idea? If any line parallel to x-axis, y is equal to a constant. If you draw, look here. If a line, this is the one. This line is parallel to x-axis. Suppose if it is 0, 1. Do you know what is it? Everywhere, this value of what will remain same? Y value will come. This may be 0. Sorry, this will come as 1, 1. This will be 2, 1. This will be minus 3, 1. Y value will remain same. Means y is equal to constant. Then what is this constant? Y is equal to 1. Suppose if I draw this one, suppose if this is minus 3, then what will be this equation will come? Y is equal to minus 3. Okay. Whenever any line parallel to x-axis, the answer is y is equal to a constant. Constant means what is the value of y? Same way, any line parallel to y-axis. Suppose if this is the line parallel to y-axis, this point is 2. Then this is x is equal to 2. This will be what? X is equal to 1. Are you following or not? So if the question is asked, draw the line. Archisha, draw the line x is equal to minus 1. Where is Archisha? I'll tell na. Draw. You draw means how will you draw? Parallel to the y-axis. Then where? The parallel to y-axis. This side where? This side lot of places are there, anywhere I'll draw. Here I'll draw. Then at where? -1. At -1, you draw parallel to y-axis. Okay, understood all of you? Okay, so followed all of you. So next step condition, right? This one. Equation of line parallel to. Equation of line parallel to y-axis is x is equal to a. Below you can write which meet x-axis at a or a comma 0, which meet x-axis at a comma 0, meet x-axis at. Fourth one, equation of line parallel to x-axis is y is equal to some number b, which meet y-axis at 0, comma. Hope all of you followed. Okay. Now, for these ones, we make a table also. Okay. That one. So, whenever in the question it is given, line x is equal to 0, immediately what will you tell? Line x is equal to 0. Line x equal to 0. Y axis. Line y equal to 0. X axis. You don't need to draw anything else. Okay. Draw the graph of, for example, if the question is given us, don't need to write. Draw the graph of 3x minus 4y plus 2 equal to 0 and x equal to 0. Then what will you do? You have to draw the graph of this line, and this line is which one? X equal to 0 is which one? Y axis. So that is y axis. Okay, you have to draw this line only. Other one y axis is already drawn. Are you followed? So we are drawing doing the question of this exercise now. Take out graph. Exercise. Question. How many questions we did in the last class? Third one is done. Okay, fourth one. I don't read the fourth one. Who is disturbing? Power, stand up. Bring a notebook. Here. Now I'll keep you over there. Okay. Yeah. I'm with.
Shade the area of the triangles formed by y is equal to x, y is equal to 1, y is equal to -1, etc.
First one is what? Y is equal to x. Second one. Y is equal to 1. Third one. Y is equal to -1. Fourth one. X is equal to 0. Again he's doing. Now don't trouble them, okay? What happened to you today? Food you did not eat? Ate, no? Feeling hungry? Come, at break time you come, I'll get some biscuits, okay? That also is. Now, y is equal to x. So for that one, you have to make the table. How do you make the table? This is direct, no? X equal to 1.
So we have to take the value of
X equal to 1. Value of y. 1. X equal to 3. Y equal. So make the table. Directly you can make now. X, Y. Table is compulsory you have to make. Over here, correspondingly. 1, 1, 1, comma 1. Directly do. Okay, 3. Don't write all nearby name. Little far off also write 3. Okay, 3, comma 3. Then if it is a -1. -1, comma. This one. It's also got. Now, how will you make the table for y is equal to 1? You know this line is parallel to which axis? X axis. Here, look here. How to make this table? Here, value of y will be always same value. What value? 1. So 1. X can be anything. 0. So if it is 0, comma 1. Suppose if it is 2. Okay, again. 2 means value of y will remain 1, 2 comma 1. That's a 4, 4 comma 1. Y equal to minus 1, same way. X, y, 0, minus 1, 0 comma minus 1. If I take minus 2 comma minus 1. I'm just taking any number, okay? Okay, 3 comma minus 1. Then fourth one. What is the fourth one? X equal to 0, no? Yes or no? Now you write. You don't need to make the table. What will you write? X equal to 0. X equal to 0.
Y
X equal to 0. Y axis. Yes. Okay. It is the y axis. No need to make the table. X is equal to 0 is the y axis. So you got table. So take out the graph. Don't mark everything. First set of points, make the line. Second set of points, make the line. Third set of points, make the line. Huh? In the same graph paper, no, not in 4 graph paper, then triangle will come in one line over there, one line over there. Will you get the triangle? Same x, y, and all. Same graph. Here you can make it, no problem. Oh, this man. Here you make. Big line. In a graph paper, maximum 2 graph is okay. Confuse man. This way means, your who again your son also will use this one. Graph. Quick, who made the graph? Yeah? Table is not made. Acha, so it's there on the board. Okay. 3 tables are there. Where is the third? Oh. Graph should look neat. Scale, another one monkey without scale. This is scale. This is called scale. Now I'll break it and give it. You are a shameless people only. How much ever I say. Archisha, you brought scale today? I think she forgot. Huh? Where? Last class also same thing, no? I call you mummy here. Ari, wherever you took. I'll do one thing, I'll tell the mummy to come over here with the scale. If you want, I'll do. Is it very heavy to carry, no? Arey, what is it here? This is not the first time. But last time also same thing you said, no? Last class also same thing, no? Your homework where you done? I think I have to call the parent and now things will be okay. Where do you stay nearby somewhere, no? Mummy is there at home? Mummy is working? Where is she working? She's also a teacher. Which school? Then better, no? She let her also see what you're doing. Should I do this one? If you want, I will do that one. Arey, my dear child, if just not coming and sitting, it will not work anything. I'm not giving any lot of work. Okay, arey, this much work is given. That means you don't do anything. Who is there at home? Nobody. That is the reason. It is minus one. Sorry. Don't be careful. I don't put in minus. Check. It is minus one. Don't copy as it is. Check and see. Very good. At least one girl said. Minus one, no? Then it will be there. Everything in. One question, everything in the same graph paper. Yeah. Make it small. Chindu one. I said, make in the one graph paper. Draw now here. Everything in the same graph paper, not 4 different graph. X axis, Y axis, okay. Hmm. Made. The graph should look neat. I'll check whose graph is neat. First one, this is X, Y, X dash, Y dash. First one, 1, 1. Second one, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is Y equal to X. -1, -1. Second one, Y equal to 1. So 0, 1. Then 2, 1. Third one, Y is equal to and the last one, X equal to 0 means this is X equal to 0. This was your graph. Coordinates you can mark. This is whatever the coordinates 0, 1. Whatever the points are there, mark it. Triangle you got? Triangle you got? Hey, fast do it now. The graph. Pencil, when did you sharpen? Last year. Sure, you these old people I have to tell out. Another one. What are you searching? Eraser. I will do one thing, for one, donate 5 rupees to you. One pencil, one for scale, one does not have eraser. Pawar, you got the triangle. Where? Huh? How? Here, there are 4 lines are there. Triangle got. No, you. The answer. Did you read the question? Check. Where? Lot of marking is there, but oh. By looking over here, which are the 4 lines? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 2 triangles are forming. Have you seen the 2 triangles? Nobody read. Only Parth only realized. This is O. This is A. And this is B. C. D. Now done. Shading is done. Then who will do? Therefore, the triangles are below right. Here the triangles are triangle OAB and triangle OCD. Answer will be written. Triangle OAB and triangle OCD. This much should be written. There are 2 triangles are forming. Have you seen the 4 lines? Line 1, line 2, and this line 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see 1 triangle and the second triangle. Nothing to do with the x-axis. X-axis is nothing.
Sir, this exercise was this exercise removed from NCRT, right?
Where
Right.
exactly? Graph is not there.
This one is not there.
Graph is
As
not
per
there. Graph is not there in the. You read the first exercise. You have the textbook with you, or Maya?
Yes, sir.
Read the first question in your exercise 3.1.
Okay, I have to bring my textbook. One second.
Yeah.
Sir, there is graph is there, but this particular is not.
This is not graph then.
But like y is equal to 1, y is equal to -1.
That are, my dear, y is equal to 1, y is equal to -1 is removed. Who said it is removed? These are all the part of the graph. Understood?
Okay,
Don't tell these all removed. It will come. Oh,
okay.
oh. So you written triangle OAB. All of you done, neatly drawn. Now what are you waiting for? He's looking the beauty and sitting. Fast, time over. Huh? How many are done? Okay, only Avnish. I will come and see. Okay. Avnish, okay. Read the question now, second one. Next question.
Draw the graph of 2x plus y is equal to 6 and
2x plus y equal to 6.
2x minus y plus 2 is equal to 6.
2x minus y
Equal to 6.
is, no, 2x minus y
2x minus y plus 2.
plus 2
Yes.
equal to 0. Then,
Shade the region bounded by this line.
Hmm.
Lines and x.
shade the regions bounded by these lines and the x-axis. So, then
The area of the shade.
find the area of the shaded region. So, first is draw the graph of these two lines. Okay, how will you? Myra, how will you get the equation solution? How will you get the solution? Graph coordinate. Y is equal to 6 minus 2x. Okay, then it's very easy to do now. You can put the value for which value you substitute. What? X or Y? X value. X value can take anything. X equal to 0. No fraction is coming, so directly. What will you get? 6 minus 0. That is equal to 6. So all of you do it. X equal to 1. Y is equal to 6 minus 2 into 1, 2. That is 4. X is equal to 2. Y is equal to 6 minus 4. That is equal to 2. Table. 0, 6, 0, 6. Second one, 1, 4, 1, 4. Third one, 2, 2. It's not necessary whatever I have taken, you have to take. 3 solutions. Don't take huge values. Big values, it will not fix in the graph. Second table. Don't make mistake. Shubhangi, how will you do the second table? This one. Why did you take two? Acha, you want to find the value of x? You cannot take the value of y. Why you want to make you happy with the fraction? You shift that y only that side. What will happen? 2x plus 2 is equal to y. That means y equal to 2x plus 2, na? This is simple, na? Other way also you can write, but now fraction means it's always easier to do it. Then solution, put value for x. Okay? So make the table. All of you do. I am coming to see everyone's graph of the previous one. Let me check. All of you make the table. Then draw the graph. Both the graph in same graph paper or different graph paper? Same graph paper or different graph paper? Same graph paper. Means same x-axis, y-axis. Make it for either half graph or full graph. Don't take 1/4. In a graph, maximum 2 graphs. Where is your first graph? Need arrow and all I will tell to put. Then everywhere arrow you have to put all the lines, okay? Y equal to x, y equal to. Okay, little more properly. Here itself we can write the coordinate, okay? Below of this one. See, look here, where? Down put separately. Now, tape directly if we can calculate, directly calculate. Calculation, it's not compulsory to show, but mistake means 0 mark, remember. Okay. Hello, now you are going to draw the graph over here. I will give one graph. Okay, take 5 rupees. Maximum one more graph you draw over here, okay? It should be. Where is it? In the exam, don't make this way one Chintu graph. Mark also will be Chintu mark only will come. Out of 4, teacher also will be.
Correct, then
It is correct, madam will not give. That is common sense. Okay. That I am telling you, no, I will complain.
Sir, how if it is correct, then they have
It-
to give a mark.
It is not. The graph means, why this graph paper is given? Even the exam, all of you listen here. This graph paper is given, draw the graph means you think the teacher will give you mark? No. Understood? This graph to be utilized. So utilize means properly. Understood or not? Make one corner to graph and down. This one contains how many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is wrong. Graph is wrong here.
Sir, how?
How? Which is your x-axis? This your x-axis y dash you wrote. You Raju, give that scale. Power. You know x-axis he wrote what? And what is this line? What is this line? Y is when what is this line?
This one.
This above this y equal to 1. Tell me above this line, what is the line? I forgot.
No.
Redo, okay?
Okay.
You get one for me, okay? Hey, you got 4 different lines. I mean,
Okay.
not now. Don't try to erase. You do the next question now. I was saying, array, this many lines. I take the marker and just cross it now, okay? Hello, this is what? Nothing is there. It is like a naked graph. Which equation is what? Which is x-axis, which is y-axis, which is y equal to 1, which is y equal to -1? Where? Who will write? Sorry, your scale got a bend or what? Huh? Let me see the scale. Pencil, another one. Pencil. Shame on I'll sharpen for you. You don't have sharpener, isn't it? Then my father said, don't sharpen it, it will finish. No, it's very fast. And the graph, if it is coming to me, how much mark out of 4? 1 mark. Yeah. And he will tell another monkey sitting, I'll complain. Where is the table is drawn? And table make it, see, at least my table, why this chintu, this one you are going to dance over here? Make it properly, yeah. Copying only, no, that's why. Another one, this we could not extend this side. Which is the equations and all. Write properly. It look like, when teacher sees, it's good. Even little mistake, give full mark. The teacher should think, where is the table? I have written the coordinate. You don't need the coordinate, na? I am expert, na? I bring one big steel scale and beat everyone. Next. So far, all the boys, Arun partially okay. Other ones, no, none of the graph is satisfied. Parth is okay, good. Little more, I can't see A, B, C. I have to various my specs and all that. Still no. Okay, better. Table, where is the table? What is it? She's touching my feet out. So that I should not. I thought so that I should not tell anything. Table coordinate right. Okay. Not compulsory, but still. Okay. She need this. Yes. Look good. Triangle AB, OAB, that you have to write the name. This has to extend it. Okay. With x-axis. Yes. Table is this one for the previous. Yes. Myra will come here. Graph is not neat, by the way. Why you drawn this one? Make it in the center, okay? No shading, not much required, but it looked neat. Next, Risha is done very well, she said. Let's see. Why only one quadrant? This one. But you have to extend it, okay? Not even you have taken the positive value, you have to extend it. Looks good. Okay. Table were made on a okay. Next, Archisha. First time I am seeing one graph properly, okay, Archisha. Then, but still, there is which equation is this one? Which is equation? Which are the names of these equations? Where it's written? What with this equation is which equation? Which line is this one? Where it's coordinate name, which equation is this one? There are 4 equations are given now. Which is y equal to x? Which is y equal to 1, y equal to -1, x. That you have to mark. Understood or not? And triangle name OAB. Next one, Brunumai. Little more properly graph to be drawn, okay? OCD. Okay, yours. No need to shade in that much, okay? All right, okay. This is wrong. This is the. Are there two lines and the x-axis? Which are the two lines? These two lines. These two lines and x-axis here. How it is coming? It's wrong. Extend both the lines in both the sides. So you will come to know. Second table, all of you got? When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 plus 2, which is equal to 2. X is equal to, let's say, 1. Y is equal to 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4. If you want to put minus also, you can put x equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 2 plus 2, that is equal to 0. Therefore, x, y. Look, this one, all of you look here, how it is written, 0, 2. This 0, 2 should be over here. Hello, my dear. Oh, here, not that one. He will make one over here, something like. Now, write neatly. Second one, 1, 4. See, 1, comma 4. And make the box over here. Okay. Next is minus 1, 0. Minus 1, 0. So that, okay. Don't make mistakes. Then you have to plot the points. Still did not, Shubhangi did not get? Still? No, you don't tell me. You have to tell me it's correct. First one, 0, x, y. Pawar is looking girls' side and seeing copying. Shameless man. First one is what? 0, comma 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the first point. Second is correspondingly it is coming as well. Look here, when you keep the scale, extend to both sides. Little extending, there is no problem. When you keep the scale, not these two joining it only, extend to both the sides. Then you will come to know where it is meeting. 1, 2, these are. Second, and then the points you mark 1, comma 4, I did not mark. Then 2, comma 2, this is also not marked. Second one, 0, 2. This is the second line is coming. Check, is it come this way? X 3, 4. This is minus 1, minus 2. Minus 1, minus 2. See, my graph, even rough figure, some of your graph is looking worse than this one. Now, this one is which one? 2x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. This is which one? 2x plus y is equal to 6. This much is your graph. How many of you got this graph? Sir. Still there are people, run my, again she is making in small over here. Why are you making this graph over here, this graph over here? What are you doing? Then take the next page and do it now. Don't worry, your father will spend one more graph paper, okay? Make it the center. Why are you making it? Make it over here. Look at Trisha's made properly. One graph spend also, don't worry. It's cost you only maximum 1 rupee. Okay. Now, don't behave like Raju. You try to make one graph paper, 10 graph. Thank you, first time I'm saying. And but that line that is not properly drawn. That line is not straight. Because the scale is not scaled up there now. See, by looking over here, I can see. See, the bend is there. Okay. Now look here. After drawing this one, the question is coming. Draw the region formed by these two. Listen carefully. Stop writing. Stop. All of you stop now. Put your pencil down. Hello to you, Raja. Okay. No, Raju. Okay. Now, draw the region formed by the two lines and the x-axis. Triangle. Now, if you see, there is one triangle over here. There is another triangle. This way is there. Another triangle or this one. This is another triangle. So how to identify means that these are the two lines and this is the x-axis. Have you seen? Line 1, line 2, x-axis, which is the triangle is coming. 1, A, B, C. Have you identified now? This one. Now shade. Shading means you don't just like, light shade is enough. No need to darken it. This is the triangle. If, huh? There are a lot of triangles. This is one triangle. You can see this is another triangle. This is another triangle. What is your question is given in the exam? It is given the two lines and the x-axis. Line 1, line 2, x-axis, which is a triangle form. Understood, Ron? So made ABC. I think coordinate of A is already there. I think 1, 4, no? Yes or no? How many of you shading done? Run my do fast. Shading you don't need to lot of time enough. Properly draw it. Okay, with the scale you can shade also. Enough. Okay, now look here. After that, now what is this one? Next is what? Find the area of the triangle. The area of the triangle. Area of the triangle ABC. What is area of the triangle? Length into breadth. Half base into height. So what is the base over here? What is the base? BC. Height is from here I can draw the perpendicular. Have you seen? This is the perpendicular drawn. I can take this point as L. Do you know what is the length of BC? Point. 4 minus 1 to 3. 3 minus 4. You can count and see. Do you know what is AL? 4 because y coordinate. Therefore, you will write after this one. The shaded triangle is, you'll write this one. Shaded triangle is triangle ABC. Then where BC is equal to 4, AL is equal to 4. Area of triangle ABC. Parth, I think you got half into base BC into AL. That is equal to half into 4 into 4. 1 to cancel, that is equal to 8 square units. This much is, got it now? Equal. But your graph. Because by seeing over here, there is a bend, look here. Look this line, where it is coming. So then what is the difference? Understood or not? So how I come to know? The same way teacher also will come to know. So that is why I am telling, bring your scale properly and do this one. Forward. This x-axis could have been little more bigger, okay? If you are going to do something over here. He's feeling hungry. Okay now. Here, listen. Had it been completed all of you listen once again. If it was these two lines and the y-axis, which will be the triangle? This small one, this is the triangle. Understood or not? If two lines and y-axis means they did not ask. I'm just showing only. This is the one. Can you find the area of this triangle?
Yes.
How will you find us? Tell now. What is the base? What is the base? This is A, P, Q. A, P, Q. That means 6 to 2 means this is 4. And what is the height? Height is this one, 1. So what is the area of the triangle? Half into 4 into 1. That is equal to 2. Understood or not? Now sometimes with y-axis. Sometimes they will ask both. Find the area of the triangle with x-axis, triangle with the y-axis. And find the ratio. Ratio means divide. The ratio of the areas. That they will give in the question now. If it is given x-axis to y-axis means this divided by that one. Or y to x means that one. Question. Are you followed? Question CBSE, not that directly what is given in the textbook exactly they'll ask. Beyond that they will ask. That is the problem in the CBSE. Whereas in the other boards they don't ask. They give only textbook. Okay, so this is the one. But their own problem is the ICSE, you are studying 15 chapters, ICSE is studying 26 chapters. Out of 15, there are even 2 chapters. Hello? Yeah. Every board has its own problems. Okay, understood all of you? Next question. Power, and feeding hungry. Srinidhi, read.
For the system of previous equation graphically,
Hmm.
x minus y is equal to 1 and x plus y is equal to 8.
First is x minus y is equal to 1. Then
So x plus y
2x plus y is equal to 8. Okay.
is the area bounded by x and y axis.
Ah,
Also,
And y-axis. Okay. And determine the area. Here instead of x-axis it is y-axis. So x minus y is equal to 1. Yes, one of you who will tell. Yes.
X is equal to 1 plus y.
X is equal to, okay, 1 plus y. Very good. X is equal to 1 plus y. Or y is equal to x minus 1. Both are same thing. Now what value will substitute? Where? For which one? So do it first. Do it. So y is equal to 0. X is equal to 1 plus 0. 1. Y is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 plus 1. 2. Another bigger value, y is equal to 3. X equal to 1 plus 3. 4. Table. Make neatly. I think now it's become little more, all of you have become properly. Graph gets over here. One more graph is there, no? 1, 0. 1 comma 0. Second one. So, Avanti doing now?
Yes, sir.
Getting answer. Admeya,
Yes, sir.
answers are coming.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Doubts are there?
No, no doubt.
Doubts are there, tell me. This one. Archisha, what happened? Doing, na? Tell me how do you do this one?
y is 8 minus
Very good. Y is equal to 8 minus 2x. So, put the value for what? X. X is equal to some value. X is equal to 0. Y is equal to 8. X is equal to 1. Y is equal to 8 minus 2. 6. Y is equal to, sorry, X is equal to, let's say, 3. Y is equal to 8 minus 6. That is equal to 2. X, Y. Done. Now make the graph. It has to graph, make it extend. When you draw at that stretch itself, we extend the lines. Hope you are following. Brunmai Ali following. Now, next class on be regular, okay? Don't be, I was there later. Yeah. Fast. My dear Chindu man, how are you writing? Little more small right now.
Yes, sir.
Why? Yes, sir. Look, even writing, give it to me. You can little more bigger, you can write now. See, he's a their part. X, Y. Look, 1, 0, 1, 0. See, leave a space. There, you are not going to dance over here. Another one also. I agree. Another agree one. Angry man. See, 2, 1. See, 2 comma 1. So that you know, it should be, how will they read? Teachers are of not your age. Eyesight is weak. I look at you. I started wearing hearing now. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So got it now this way. Now look what is written and what I written. Okay. So that little more properly do it. Hey, who is that? Power has come back. Powerful man. Powerful person. Okay, very good. This is the triangle. Okay. Okay. All of you, listen here. All of listen, we'll stop over here. Now, this question you have to do it. Now, homework exercise. That is the problem, no? Exercise 3.2. Questions 1, 2. Well, how many questions we are done? And finished? One and 2 is done now. One is done only. 2, 1 and 2. Okay. 3 to 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many questions? 5 questions only, no? Even 3 to 8, I get 3. Okay, 3 to 8, dude. One question, 3 to 8. Then what? 5 questions. Those who. Hello. Those who wanted to do. Next class again. Graph paper, Archisha, scale and all, don't tell I took the school. No. Scale, pencil and all, get it. Spare pen, spare pencil.